Demand for the US dollar is high again amid risk aversion. Traders ignored the news on the development of a coronavirus vaccine. Market participants seem to be tired of such news, so now they are awaiting the results of today's ECB meeting, as well as fresh data on China's economy. At the end of yesterday's trading session, the US dollar index fell to the level of 95.80. A bit later, it went up in an attempt to regain its previous levels. Today, USDX, which measures the strength of the greenback against the basket of 6 major currencies, is testing the resistance level at 96.20. Positive mood in the market is still restrained by the news on the rapid spread of the virus around the world. The number of infected people exceeded 13.5 million. Traders are voicing concerns about the state of the global economy during the pandemic. Today, China unveiled its GDP data for the second quarter, showing that the country managed to avoid a recession. China's GDP surged by 11.5%. It means that the annual growth rate was able to expand to the level of 3.2%. The figure topped the expectations, yet investors remain cautious. They express concerns about the negative dynamics in consumer activity. In June, retail sales continued to decline for the 6th month in a row, missing the forecast. Retail sales sank by 1.8% year-on-year. It may be a sign of the continuation of weak consumer demand not only in China but also worldwide. The fundamental analysis indicates an increase in the risk of sentiment. The yen is sure to gain momentum against such a background. The technical analysis also signals the development of an upward movement. To confirm the downward movement, the dollar-yen pair needs to fix below the level of 106.65. Then it's expected to dip to the 105.68 level. Technical analysis experts note that it's hard to foresee the trajectory of the AUD-USD pair. Maybe this is due to the fact that the US dollar is a safe haven asset cannot rise versus the Aussie. To confirm the downward movement, the pair should fall below 0.6966. However, in this case, it will be a correctional decline. The pairs will take full control only if the pair drops below the 0.6900 level. Besides, investors took notice of Australia's labour market report. The Australian economy added 210,800 jobs in June, which is almost 2 times better than the forecast value. However, market participants are taking into account a surge in the new coronavirus cases in Victoria. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.